Alrighty, we're here at DFW Airport getting ready to leave for our flight to Tampa, Florida this morning. We'll leave at 8:56. We'll get there around 12:30 or so in Tampa time. My friend Mike had his shoe because his shoe came untied. We're right here at the airport, as you can see, looking out that window there. Say hi to the subscribers, Mike. We're getting ready to get on the Skylink. We're going to vlog the Skylink. It's a lot of fun, so we're going to get on that now and have some good times. Before our flight, we got an hour and a half to kill, so we're going to go get a bite to eat, and we'll be right back. We're passing Sphere, a video game place, but it's not really open right now. Well, actually, it might be a haircut place. It used to be a video game place. Maybe it's not this terminal. Maybe it's a different area. Yeah. Now let's have a look out the window here. Oh, that's an air. That looks like a 737 there. We're gonna vlog the trip. Careful, watch your step there. We're on the Skylink heading up, and we see several planes out there. That looks like a 737 there. Yeah. And of course, you have to wear a mask at the airport and on board airplanes as well, even though other places don't necessarily require them anymore. But airports and airplanes still do require you to wear the mask as you fly or travel. There goes the Skylink right there. We're about to get on that. We're going to hit the Terminal D. We're going to get on over here, Mike. Well, actually, let's get on this way and go around this way.
Board here for gate C21 through C39. All D and E gates.
Okay, here we go. Now we're going to ride the Skylink today around the airport and check out the airport sites.
Doors are closing. Please do not block the doors.
Okay, we won't.
Please hold on. This train is departing.
The other side gives you a better view of the airport, though. There's a lamp. And we're moving on at a pretty good clip here.
The next stops are gate C21 through C39.
And we're going to head around the gate D. I'm going to look out at this side over here, where we see the airplanes below us. Oh yeah, planes coming in. And this Skylink train will get up to 40 miles an hour, so it's pretty fast.
Please hold on. We're approaching gate C21 through C39. Make sure you have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit. Exit here for gate C21 through C39.
I can hold on. This is kind of a bumpy ride. We're about to head on now to the next gate. We're going to circumference the airport. We've got a little bit of time to kill, so we're going to ride the Skylink on around the airport. As you can see.
Doors are closing.
That's the Grand Hyatt there.
Do not block the doors.
And they're building a new hotel, actually.
Please hold on. This train is departing.
Grab onto this bar here. You also have an overhead here if you need that. Overhead handrail there. And the planes are out there. DFW Airport. Some of those are United Airways. Or United Airlines. Head around to Terminal D. We're going to have a look at Terminal D. It's a very nice terminal.
gates E1 through E15.
I don't know how many people use this gate anymore. This is Terminal E. Look around over here. You can see out there where people are coming in. They're going to entry roads. Skylink's pretty fun.
Doors are closing. Please do not block the doors. Please hold on. This train is departing.
And we're departing.
The next stop serves gates E16 through E38.
It's going to be quite a fun ride today. Heading out to Tampa, Florida.
Exit here for gates E16 through E38.
You almost expect them to say thank you for your cooperation.
And we're looking out over the airport parking areas here on the Skylink airport train. Let's have a look back the other direction here. There's a Spirit Air over there.
Doors are closing. Please do not block the doors.
Get another.
Please hold on. This train is departing.
Yeah, the plane is departing. That's where we're going to get off. We're going to be getting off at Terminal D. Look at some Spirit Airlines out there. Those are yellow planes, easy to spot. Looks like we're going to build a new terminal over there. I've heard that we're going to build a Terminal F, and there might be some land over there for it. Not sure if that's the location. It might just be the taxi range. And as you can see, this link goes around the bend here. And we are seeing some more American Airlines jets. Terminal D is a newer terminal, a new international terminal. It's a nice terminal. Out over the employee parking lot out there. That's employee parking right there. As we get ready to make our way to Tampa, Florida today on American Airlines. That direction is more American Airlines jets. We're heading to Terminal D, which is the new international terminal. That's a really nice terminal. You're going to like that one. And we're going to get a look at that. Skylink makes it quick and easy to get around to all the terminals. So if you're ever here at American Airlines or here at the DFW airport, check out the Skylink because it does get you around to all the terminals without having to go back through security. It's a very convenient way to travel from terminal to terminal, especially if you're changing flights.
Please hold on. You're approaching gates E1 through E38.
check out Terminal D.
And I think we're gonna
Exit here for gates B1
Go ahead
through
on out.
B22 and the Grand Hyatt.
We're going to exit here and head on downstairs. All right, me and my friend Mad Mike are making our way down the escalator from the Skylink. We're about to board our plane here in a little while for Tampa, Florida.
And make sure if you come to the airport, you do have to wear a face mask.
You do have to wear your face mask, regulation. And now let's have a look at this terminal. This is a nice terminal down here, I'm telling you. This is, take a look at this one. It almost looks like a shopping mall.
Look, they even got an ice store for you.
Absolutely, absolutely. What's a shopping area without an ice store? I mean, what's a airport terminal without an ice store? So we're going to check out the restaurants and the other amenities here at Terminal D.
Alright, this is Mad Mike, and I'm here at Terminal D, and as you can see, they got an ice store over here for iPhones and everything like that. And this is the nearest terminal here at DFW, and you can tell because it's the nicest.
You can tell how nice this thing is. You got all kind of cool stores here.
Ooh, look,
Hair
they even
salons,
got a
I don't-
Cowboys Pro Shop.
Yes, they do got a Cowboys Pro Shop there. You got to have a Cowboys Pro Shop. Sports bar and grill, bar Louie. There's a bar Louie right there.
I always hear the commercial. The guy always sounds like an officer. He goes, Bar Louie.
Yeah. And let's head on around. We'll just head around to the other side and catch the Skylink going back. Let's do it that way, and then we'll get a bite to eat in the meantime. Alrighty.
There's Whitetail Bistro.
What a nice airport.
Soup of the day, whiskey with H2O croutons. That's funny.
Well, why not?
There's a jewelry counter over here.
You ever come over there?
Cologne, looks like cologne. Keep going and wine on. Buy one, get one free.
Head all around.
There's your makeup.
And we're going to stop and get a bite to eat in this here terminal here in a minute. Get back with you here in a minute. Yeah, we're back aboard the Skylink, and we're going to give a view of the coming back the other direction. That down there is Terminal D. It's a nice new terminal here at DFW Airport. It's a really nice terminal. A lot of the stuff here at DFW Airport, the older terminals are pretty old, and they are in need of work, I tell you that. The escalators don't work all that well. We're heading around the gate. We're heading around to the C terminal. And more American Airlines planes. This is another section of the brand new terminal. Now we can look down over the top of it here.
Exit here for gates B1 through B22
Really nice.
and the Grand Hyatt.
And we're getting ready to get on the airplane here. We're going to get on at about 8:30 or so and head for Tampa, Florida.
Getting through security was pretty quick this morning. Didn't take too long.
And we should be departing here in just a second. These actually Skylink trains are actually pretty fast. There's the one in front of us here.
Doors are closing. Please do not block the doors.
Yeah, Mike, don't block the doors. Now we're going to head on around to Terminal
Please
C.
hold on. This train is departing. The next stop serves gates E16 through E38.
One World delivery out there on that American Airlines jet. Frontier Airlines down there. there. I don't know what that's used for. American Airlines, yes. Those look more like a... Yeah. Oh, if I can hold on here. And that out there are some 747s. Those are cargo planes out there. I can't hold still because of the motion of the tram. Some parked airplanes out there. There's another plane coming in. Several planes coming in. They have 7 runways here at DFW Airport. Pretty big ones too. So plenty of room for the planes to take off and land. And cars entering and leaving the airport. And we're going to come over to the top of some airplanes here in a minute. Embraers down there. Those are regional jets. Spirit Air out there. That's a yellow plane.
Please hold on. We are approaching gates E16 and E30. Make sure you have all your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Spirit Air down below us there.
Exit here for gates
And also down below us there.
through E38.
Those look like yeah, those look like so, well, A320s there, or A319, I beg pardon, A320s. Yeah, that's an A320. I'm looking right at this top,
Doors are closing.
that is an A320. That's what it is. That airplane rolling out to the runway. We're here at American Airlines.
Please hold on. This train is departing.
DFW Airport. We're going to fly out here in a little bit. Got a plane taking off there. Yep, they occasionally do that, Mike. Planes, hey Mike, planes have been known to take off. I don't think Mike knew a plane could take off. Delta Airlines down below us. This is the E gate. E is where Delta has their hub. Delta Airlines planes. That's the E gate for Delta. And that's Alaska Airlines. I flew them years ago when I went to Seattle. I flew Alaska. They're a pretty nice airline. For the money that you're paying, you get a pretty good ride on one of those planes. And out here we got United and American. And coming in over there is behind there, down the runway down there is a Spirit Air. He actually is taking off a big part. That's a Spirit Air jet. That's a Spirit Air. Yeah. Sun is rising here at DFW Airport. We got here, it's still dark. And we will be off to Tampa, Florida here pretty soon.
Doors are closing. Please do not block
Planes
the doors.
taxiing and taking off and landing. Yeah.
Please hold on. This train is departing.
Please hold on. This train is departing. These trains are convenient. We'll get off at the first C stop.
The next stop serves gate C21.
C21. That's where we're gonna get off. There's the Grand Hyatt out there, right there, Hyatt Regency. Is that what they call that, Hyatt Regency? That's it, right out there in front of us. And down below us, as you can see, there's another American Airlines. That looks like a A321 there. That's a pretty big plane, A321s. Plane's taking off. A lot of activity here at the airport. You know, the airlines were hit pretty hard during the pandemic, so it's good to see them getting a lot of business today. So now we're gonna go get us some ID. Stay tuned for further details. Pretty good use of planes out there.
Yeah.
A lot of planes. American Airlines. We're gonna get off the tram now. I'll be back with you in a minute. Or off the Skylink.
Exit here from C21 through C39.
Alrighty, Mike, you're getting ready to board the plane to Tampa, Florida. How you feeling right now, brother?
Excited.
If you look back there, that's C22 right directly behind us. That's where our plane leaves from. So we're in a convenient location here. We're getting our food at McDonald's right there at the food court. That's him right back there. And I don't mind telling you, food at the airport is not cheap. $9.95 for sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle and an orange juice. $9.95. And well, anyway, but we're gonna have a good time in Tampa, isn't that right, brother?
That is correct.
Alrighty. We'll be seeing you soon here. I'm gonna take a shot. Look at the camera. I'm gonna take a shot, Mike. Look at the camera. Thumb up. Alright. I'm gonna put that on Facebook.
Oh, good God.
Don't forget to log into their Wi-Fi if you haven't already done it, because you get fast connections. And that is the big old 737-800 that's going to take us out to Tampa, Florida here in a few minutes. And we'll be seeing you pretty soon in Tampa, Florida. All right. Alrighty, we're now headed down the jetway. My friend Mad Bike is right behind me there.
Hello,
and we're boarding our plane to Tampa, Florida. These flights are always a lot of fun. We're going to have a good time in Tampa.
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty. Pick him up and put him down, Mad Mike. We're getting on the plane. These jetways are bigger than I remember. They might have changed them out. I remember them being smaller than this. Yeah, my friend Mike getting ready to take off here on American Airlines. Let's look out the window there just for a second. There's the wing. Get your thumb out of the way. There's the wing of the airplane that we're flying on, the American Airlines 737-800. And Mike's really excited, aren't you, Mike?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he is. Give me a second here. Gonna post that on the way to Facebook. See you all in Tampa, Florida. And we're getting ready to take off.
Masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Mask over your nose and mouth, and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. You should always put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate.
Alrighty, we're ready to take
Life
off here in a
vests are
minute.
located under, next to, or between your seat. For help locating them, see your safety card. To remove the vest.
Well, we're on our way out to the taxiway. Mike's trying to take a video. There's a plane out next to us, as you can see it right there. We're going to get in line behind some other planes, and hopefully we're going to take off at that point. Mike wants to record the whole thing. This is his first time. This is Mike's first trip on a passenger plane, and he's psyched up for this. So careful. He's psyched up for this. I got mine recording too. Yeah, you can see he's got his camera out. He's all psyched up for this. And we're probably just going to
Flight attendants prepare for takeoff.
Yeah, we're probably just going to sit here waiting our turn. And as you can see, we're lined up behind beside some other planes there. Mike's got his camera, getting ready to film the takeoff. That's what cameras are for. He's got his thumb up there. And we're about to take off here in a second.
What was that?
Felt like something fell in there. Alrighty, we're getting to the runway. We're about to start our takeoff roll here.
Here we go.
And we got to turn first. We're not on the runway yet.
Let's turn on.
Mike's busy filming away here. This is our turn. See those white stripes down there at the end?
Yep.
That's the runway. That's how you tell what it is. are about to hit the takeoff thrust. Here they're spooling the engines. We're about to take off right now. Here we go. It's pretty easy to tell. It's pretty easy to tell when we're taking off. It's the only fun part of the flight. We're taking off.
There we go. Boy, look at this thing get up and go, man. Holy moly. Face mask and all.
Yeah, pretty fast.
There we go.
And we're gaining the altitude. We're gaining altitude. Yes, we are.
Woo. There we are. We're leaving DFW.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Is that
All
cool?
right,
Is that
guys.
cool or is that cool? Look at that. You can look down on the top of people's houses now.
Yep. You can see all the tops of those.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That is awesome. All right, guys. Next time we see you, we'll be
Be
back
in Tampa, Florida. We'll see you in Tampa, Florida. Yeah. Now flying over the clouds. Yeah. Got to get some shots of the clouds, right?
Yeah.
All right. We are flying up over the cloud cover and headed to Tampa, Florida. Yes, we are. Alrighty, if you want to know what 37,000 feet looks like out of an airplane, there it is. We're pretty high up. And my buddy Mike Burton is right next to me. He's fixing to drink his apple juice right there. Alrighty, we'll be in Tampa soon. See you guys pretty soon. Alright. Yeah, we've got some interesting cloud formations out there right now, as you can see. I'm going to take a picture of that. Flying at 37,000 feet, getting close to Florida right now. We'll be in Florida soon. Have a look at those interesting clouds out there. Those are interesting cloud formations. Yeah. And some more interesting cloud formations out there. Those are really nice looking clouds out there. I got to get some shots of these. Man, these clouds are really incredible. My buddy Mike is right next to me. He's enjoying this flight. Headed into Tampa, Florida.
They do need spacing. I'll say
Yeah,
that.
this plane does not have a lot of room to turn around. It's a very small plane. Well, we're headed in over Tampa, Florida. There it is, right there. We'll soon be on the ground here. This is a beautiful city here.
Yeah, right. We're over Tampa right now. We're actually an hour early. So,
earlier than normal.
so that's a good thing.
That was a fun ride.
And look, here we go through the clouds.
And the next job after we get off the plane is to get our rental car and our luggage and find our hotel room so we can check in. I can use a bit of a rest after this flight. Then we're going to go out on the town, I tell you what.
Yeah, we're
Now
gonna do some sightseeing.
we're flying right through some clouds now. And we can now see some greenery down there on the ground below. Really green down there.
Just a warning, if you're claustrophobic, that sitting in a seat next to someone may not be the best idea.
Claustrophobia is not for people on a plane, I'll tell you that.
Look at this. Wow.
Really beautiful. Mad Mike is enjoying his flight. Are you enjoying the flight, Mad Mike?
Of course.
Really pretty down there.
Ready? matter of fact, as we speak.
Wow.
We are out of Texas. So it's going to be a...
Well, that's fun just by itself.
Right? It's going to be a little nice trip to get out of the state, even if
And we're going to visit Busch Gardens, Tampa. We're going to visit some good scenery.
We're sightseeing later today. I've already decided that, because I mean, who knows when we'll get to come back. So, but anyways, I mean, look at this. This is the most green I've seen in like ever.
And we can see the ground more clearly now. There's some nice houses down there, plenty of lakes and stuff like that. But that's Florida for you. It's a beautiful state.
There we go.
We're now headed in for a landing.
We're coming in for a landing.
The other way, we might go in over the water, so which would be really cool. Depends on which way we're going to come in. This is a beautiful state. Look down there. That's a gorgeous state. A lot of water. See all the water down there?
Yep.
Lakes and stuff like that. Lakes everywhere.
Yep.
Yeah, so this is a good looking state right here.
Look at all the swimming pools.
Let me get a shot of that real quick. A lot of swimming pools down there.
Pool.
Well, everybody's got a pool, right?
Yep.
That hotel bed's going to feel good tonight, right?
Oh yeah.
After a long flight. Mike's about to have his first ever jet lag. He's never had jet lag before, but he's about to have it.
I'm pumped.
Like a shopping center down there. They are arriving in Florida.
We're going over the water.
Yeah, we're always over the water in Florida.
There's the city over there.
Yeah. Trying to see if we're going to come in over the water. I guess we're going to come in over the land. They got the...
Well, there's some water right there. But over there, there's there's the city.
Want to touch down here? All right, touch it down on there. Here, touch it down on the runway right now. There we go.
Hold on, I got.
That's a little bumpy. Alrighty, we're now arriving in Tampa International Airport here. Just got off the plane. And my main man, Mad Mike, is right next to me. We're in Tampa. You glad to be in Tampa, Mike?
Yes, sir.
Let's go get our rental car. First, get our luggage. I'm going to run by the little boy's room first, then get our luggage and get the rental car.
Why are you telling me that?
It's a vlog, Mike. It's just for fun. All right. I assume these doors that say "Do not enter" mean we have to enter. Yeah, I'm guessing. Well, you can smell the food. I like the food around here. Okay, here we go. Up in the Tampa International Airport. We are in Tampa International Airport. All right. Alrighty, we're on board the Tampa shuttle. We're going to go to our baggage claim, then get our rental car. Well, this is nice. Mike, take a look. This is really nice.
Thank you for visiting the Tampa Bay region.
This is a really nice area here.
We are approaching the main terminal and airport.
Here in Tampa, Florida.
Please follow signs for rental cars, baggage claim, and ground transportation.
Tampa's about well, Florida in general is about an hour ahead of us.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm liking the state so far. Yeah, we're about to go to baggage claim here next.
Oh, they got a Wendy's in there.
Walking around Tampa Airport in the main terminal here. Really nice. We're headed down to baggage claim.
It's out the end of the place right
We're
there.
headed down to baggage claim here. No, we got to go this. I think we got to go this way for baggage claim. Yeah, here it is down here. So we're gonna head on down to baggage claim. I'm looking at the sign right there, Mike. Baggage claim. So yes, baggage claim. This is a really nice airport. I like that. It's not as big as DFW, but it's really nice, man. DFW needs to upgrade big time. They're tacky right now. Everything's broken at DFW.
There it is. Welcome to Tampa Bay on the side.
Give a thumbs up, Mike. There you go. Okay, flight 2353. Okay, there it is. We're going to number 4.
Belt 4.
Dallas Fort Worth, Belt 4. Yeah. That's our flight there. We're headed to Belt 4. All right, baggage claim. Me and Mr. Mike are standing here at the baggage claim trying to find our bags, which haven't come off the plane yet. This is a really nice airport. I'm liking Tampa Airport.
Hello.
Oh, look on here, Mike. Look on here. Bags are now arriving for Dallas Fort Worth.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I'm in Tampa, Mom. The plane ride wasn't too bad. It was almost like riding a train.
Me and Mike got our bags, as you can see right there. There's Jizz, there's mine. We're headed back up the escalator here. We're headed over to the rental cars. And we'll be on our way to the hotel. Hand me that, Mike. Hand me that. There you go. Figures, we got to have something go wrong while we're here. Wouldn't be right. We're on our way to the rental car.
Passenger screening checkpoint. Please check with your air carrier.
Alrighty. We got a really nice airport here in Tampa, Florida. We're headed now to the elevators that'll take us up to the rental car train, which is the train that takes us out to the rental cars. We're going to try and vlog that for you.
They had a nice aquarium.
They had a nice aquarium, although I didn't look at it. I'll have to look at it another time. I didn't look at it. Okay, hit the up button, I would assume, Mike. Call elevator button. That means you're going up. Number 1 is, number 4 is rental car. So we got to go to number 4. Yeah.
Oh, be careful.
Push it right there. Number 4, that takes us to the rental cars. If you look on here, you'll see that rental cars are number 4, 3, all gates, hotel, restaurant, shopping, 2, ticketing, check-in, baggage claim number 1, taxi, shared ride, so on. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to go on and get our rental car. And we are off in a mighty big hurry to the rental car place. This is a fast train that gets you out to the rental car location. And there's my buddy Mike. Buddy Mike sitting right next to me there. Crap. Everything's falling. moving train here in Tampa.
Please remember to hold handrails firmly at all times.
We're in Tampa, Florida. Look at all the palm trees. That's, you can tell you're in Florida. What a beautiful state. 10 years since last time I was here. It really feels great to get on a vacation here today.
We are approaching the economy parking station. The doors will be opening.
No, this is economy parking. We'll go to the next station, not this one. We're now pulling into economy parking here. But we have to continue on to the rental car place, so that's where we're headed. That is really beautiful. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far here in Florida. Really beautiful.
Wait, no, this is not it.
How many parking spaces?
I think everybody's going to the rental company.
And we're headed on to the rental
The
car
doors
place.
are closing. We are about to depart. For your safety, please stand clear of the door and hold handrails firmly at all times. Next stop is the rental cars and public bus station. This will be the final stop. Smoking is not permitted within the train system.
And rental car next stop.
We are approaching the rental cars and public bus station. The
Rental
doors
car
will
place
be
here at
opening.
Tampa Airport.
This is the final stop.
And we're pulling into the rental car place. That's where we get off. And we'll see you. We are now in the rental car place, which is right here. You got all the rental cars: Avis, Budget, Payless, Enterprise, Alamo, National, Dollar Thrifty, Hertz. There are a few others down there. You get here by taking the train from the terminal. That train there brings you all the way to the rental car place. And we are headed right there to Enterprise Rent-A-Car. And my friend Mike Burton is with me. We're going to have fun. We're standing here in the Enterprise rental car garage waiting for our chance to rent a car here. And once we get that, we're going to be off exploring Tampa. Well, good buddy Mad Mike Burton is standing right there next to me. Really nice rental cars.
Hey, look, they're advertising Kiss a Gator.
We're going to advertise them what?
Kiss a Gator.
I think I'll pass.
All right.
Kiss a gator, nothing. And we're looking at a Maserati. I'm going to take a picture of this. That's a Maserati right there. And we are looking at a Maserati. They do rent Maseratis right here. That's really nice. Here's another Maserati over here. Have a look at the Maserati. That's a Maserati.
Yep. Okay, to get to Tampa.
They do rent Maseratis here at this place. That's really nice. Maserati. We just got a white. It's a Edge EcoBoost, Ford Edge EcoBoost. It's an SUV. That's what we're going to be driving while we're here in Tampa, Florida. Let me circumference the car. It's been damage inspected, but I'm going to inspect it anyway. It's a nice vehicle. Got all the latest amenities. Got plenty of room is what we need. And there it is. So let me take a picture of this here. Hold up a thumb, Mike. Hold up. Give me a thumbs up here.
Yeah, make sure you get a shot of the Florida license plate.
Yep. In fact, stand next to it and hold your thumb up. Cool. Alrighty, here we are at La Quinta Inn in Tampa, Florida. This is going to be a great vacation. We're out here visiting Busch Gardens, Tampa. We'll be out there tomorrow morning. And Busch Gardens, Tampa is actually, you could actually walk to it from this hotel. We won't do that. We'll park over there. But it's within easy distance of this hotel right here. This is La Quinta Inn, and that's the hotel we picked for a good reason because it's right next to Busch Gardens. And obviously very sunny Florida. Look at those blue skies and partially cloudy skies, man. This is beautiful weather, man. This state is beautiful. Any part of the state is beautiful. It's just a beautiful state. Great for visiting. You know, me and Mike are here on holiday or on vacation. Thumbs up, Mike. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Try it again, Mike. Thumbs up again. All right, there he is getting out of the car, brothers. And we're gonna go check into our hotel room. Be right back with you. And there it is, Florida, the Sunshine State, and La Quinta Inn. We'll see most of y'all tomorrow. Today we're gonna go goof off here in Florida or here in Tampa, get a bite to eat and just have fun. Alrighty, we're checking out the Busch Gardens stand here. They've got the roller coaster. That looks like a cheetah hunt there. This coaster track here is designed to look like cheetah hunt. That's actually steel, man. They got steel track on that thing. Look at that. That's cheetah hunt right there at Busch Gardens Tampa. You can see it here.
I think
we're going to ride that tomorrow.
I think that's one of the ones we're getting exclusive ride time on.
Yes, it is. And that's the map for Busch Gardens Tampa. We're going to take that to our rooms and have a look at that. And I'm going to take one of these while I'm at it.
Give me one too.
Well, help yourself, brother. Give me a thumbs up in front of that. Just 1 second. I got to hold. Give me a thumbs up. There you go, my man. I'm going to take a shot. Gotcha. We got to get stuff to brag about here. And over here, you're going to see there are other attractions and stuff like that, like Disney. You know, Disney's in Orlando. That's up the road from where we're at. We're going to try to come back next year to go to Disney, not this year, because we're trying to wait on them to get some of their attractions completed before we go out to Disney. We are going to try and get to Disney and Universal and ride Velociraptor coaster, or Velocicoaster. And there's an ATM, and here's a picture of an astronaut. Nice. All right, we're going to head to our rooms.
And just a quick thing before you finish your vlog. You can buy your Busch Garden tickets here, but ours is already paid for because we're with TTS this weekend.
TTS? Yes, we are.
But you can buy your, holy moly, look at this. $70.
For 1 day?
Yep.
Well,
after 12 p.m., only sold by hotels. Single day tickets are $106.73, starting at $94. The passes are $122 or $131.99.
Well, I tell you what, that's not cheap.
No.
All right, let's head to our rooms.
And they do have a dining pass, like Six Flags has a dining pass.
That's real cool. We're looking at room 227, which is where we're going to be staying here while we're at Busch Gardens, Florida, and at La Quinta Inn, Florida, in Tampa, Florida. And my main man, Mike, is standing. He's ready to go in the doors. He's got the maps and the guides. We're going to get in there and get checked in, or get settled in and go eat something. All right. Okay, it's time for a room vlog here. This room is very nice. I'm looking at this. It looks real comfy, cozy. 2 beds here. Obviously, because both of us are staying here. And let's see what we got going on out here. Well, the view's not so great. Oh, crap. The view's not so great. We're located over a water pump down there probably for the swimming pools. The swimming pool's right there, but they do have a nice looking swimming pool, and somebody's already in it. Look at that. Wow. But anyway, not such a great view, but that's okay. We're not here for the view. We're here for Busch Gardens Tampa in the morning. Well, let's have a look at the bathroom area. This is a very nice room. It's not big. It's got the standard size TV that you expect at these places, but at least you can sit in bed and watch it.
Yeah.
And let's have a look at this bathroom in here. Figure out how to turn on the lights. Here we go. So let's have a look at the bathroom amenities. The bathroom amenities are about what you would expect. They're nice. The bathtub is right there. Not real big, but it's nice enough. And hair dryer, usual stuff here. We're gonna need to get an extra bar of soap, Mike. They only got 1 bar of soap. Let me check though. Let me check. Yeah. Oh no, we got 2 bars of soap.
Okay, good.
You use one and I use the other one. We do have 2 bars of soap. I don't want to use the same bar of soap with somebody else. So they got 2 bars of soap and some shampoo. That's good. I brought my own shampoo. Coffee machine right there. That's typical. And there I am in the mirror. Alrighty.
They don't have a charging port in here.
Well, I brought my own charging port because all I have to do is just plug it in somewhere.
Yeah, that's me too.
And as long as you got a standard outlet, you can charge. I can charge mine. All right, and we're going to be back with you. All right, we're outside the Cuban sandwich shop here. We've heard a lot about these sandwiches, and we're going to try it.
Yeah, apparently it's a local.
Yep.
It's a local thing here in Tampa.
The Cuban sandwich shop.
Look, get the extra masket and the
Cuban sandwich shop, yeah? Yeah, get that. Okay, just 1 second.
You gotta go get.
Just a reminder here at the Cuban sandwich shop. There it is right there. They do require face masks.
For my friend Christina, since she's a Tom Brady fan.
Yeah.
There's her Tampa Bay flag.
There it is. They got outside the dining. We're going to head on inside. Face mask required. We're going to have a good time and get some grub, get some Cuban sandwiches. And you can see the menu here at the
Cuban sandwich shop.
Cuban sandwich shop, yeah. Deviled crab, stuffed potatoes, ham croquettes, plantains, french fries, Cuban toast. Let's head over to the back side of this and see what the menus include. I know they got the
All right. So the Cuban sandwich consists of jamon sweet ham, Cuban
There's your
style
Cuban
pork,
sandwich.
Genoa salami, and imported Swiss
I'm getting a large
cheese
one.
on Cuban bread. Includes lettuce, tomato, pickle, mustard, mayonnaise. Well, I won't get it with tomato, but everything else will be fine. You can get one on an egg roll, or you can get a special Cuban. And yeah, we'll get the large one.
You get the large one?
Yeah, I might as well.
Oh yeah. We're here at the Cuban sandwich shop. Now vlogging the Cuban sandwich here. The Cuban this is a Cuban sandwich shop. Look at these Cuban sandwiches. They got all kind of cool stuff on there. Mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato. Let's see.
Well, not on mine because I didn't want
Yeah, I get. Oh, look at all that, man. This looks incredible. That looks incredible. Yeah. And Cuban sandwich shop here. And Mike, give me a thumbs up, Mike, brother. No, thumbs up. Oh yeah, hold that up. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna grab the menu too. Alrighty. And yeah, Cuban sandwich shop. These things look awesome. Alrighty, we are now at Raymond James Stadium, home of the Super Bowl champion Tampa Bay Buccaneers, where Tom Brady won his 7th ring. It's also the site of the Super Bowl. It's also the site of one of the latest WrestleManias. My friend Mike Burden wanted to stop and get some shots of this, so we're going to get some shots of it.
And Christina, if you're watching this, you know how much I don't like Tom Brady, but I'm doing this for you. Experience the outside of the stadium, we tried to get a tour, but we don't allow walk-up tours.
Yeah, boo Tampa Bay. But anyway, there it is, Raymond James Stadium. I'm not a Tampa Bay fan, but I'm not really a Tom Brady fan, but there it is. We're here in Tampa, so we decided to see the stadium. And we'll be heading back soon to the hotel in just a few minutes.
We're really in Tampa.
And tomorrow we're going to be at Busch Gardens, Tampa, with the Texas Thrill Seekers. Well, I'm here in Florida, and I'm going to switch this around so you can see the moss in the tree.
Look at these beautiful palm trees right here.
And look at those palm trees right there. Yes, sirree, Bob. This is outside our La Quinta Inn hotel. Man, palm trees are everywhere in the state. You also come across trees like these ones right over here where you have the moss. Right there, you see the moss in those trees. That's common in Florida too. Florida Everglades and places like that, you got mossy trees, and you got plenty of palm trees here. This is La Quinta Inn, and there is the palm trees. And we're gonna vlog as much of our time here as we can. Tomorrow it's Busch Gardens, Tampa. And as you can see, we're back here in the back of Busch Gardens, or La Quinta Inn here at Busch Gardens, Tampa, or nearby Busch Gardens, Tampa, and we can still see those mossy trees, and also if you look right there, you'll see a palm tree right there. This is a very scenic area here, and then all the hotels have good scenery like this. Let me see if I can get a shot of this area here. I'm gonna get and then over here is a swimming pool. Let's step back over here. This entire area is very scenic. I like this. Palm trees. Man, there we are. Yeah, very beautiful hotel area here. Loving it. All right, tomorrow, Busch Gardens, Tampa.